In this lecture we will see how we can test for routes, and if you remember from the previous lecture, we can't just take this approach in which we specify a initial entry, because we can't have a router inside a router. Well, the next approach to test this would be to test directly our routes config.tsx. This is not a router, it is a simple object, and what we can do, we can build our own route in which we will specify our own routes. Basically, we will build using a router provider and a router, and this way we will be able to test our routes. Let's get started. So I will create a new file called routesconfig.test.tsx, and I will write the describe. And again, let's do it inside this test. What we want to do, we want to specify a initial route, and our initial route is the home component. So this is our initial route. Let's see if the home component is rendered inside this route. And I can create a router right here, and I can create it with the create memory router from React router. And this create memory router can receive our routes config, and the key point which we wanted to test is a entry. And we have the option right here to specify some initial entries. In our case, our initial entries is our route. And basically now we can render an application with this router. So I will call render, the one from testing library, and we can wrap our router inside a router provider or a memory router, doesn't really matter. With this router provider, we can specify a router as our router. And we are successfully, at this point, successful to provide or to launch our application with specifying a initial route. And initially we have the home component. This means that just as before, we have to mock our home component. Since I'm lazy, I will just do a copy paste. So we are mocking them upstairs. And at this point, we want to make sure that our home screen, our home is inside our screen. I will also import this screen. Let me save this and let me execute it. All right, I have an error. Let me check it. All right, and the test is green. That's great. My problem was that this route config test was inside the routes folder, and that meant that the path to our mocks were wrong. But I put it in the right folder, directly inside the router folder, next to the routes config file, and this way our approach works. Well, from this point on, there's just a matter of copy and paste, because the next tests will be exactly the same. Let me write them and then explain them. And I have wrote the other tests. They are all exactly the same as the first test. So the requirement for this lecture is that we create mocks for all our routes component, just to be safe, to make sure that we have a predictable approach inside our test, and we don't simply, maybe our component will load another component and or will make HTTP calls. We don't want this. So we will mock all our components, and then we can simply render them this way. We can provide a router provider with a route created by our routes config, and this way our application works just fine. There's one more point to test inside our application, and that is what happens when we click the buttons inside the navbar. For example, we have some nav links right here. Let's test if we end up to the right component when we click for example, the about or the posts component.